To use one of these 6 tools, first go to the Data Selection tab to create data you want to analyze. If you have previously selected data, access it by clicking on Datasets and hitting Select on the set you want to use. Then click Start Analysis on the Floral Network tool. Use the purple sliders up here to filter your data by month or year. This drop box shows the number of observations needed to count as a connection between bees and flowers. The larger the number, the less cluttered your data will look. This tool shows data as the number of connections between bees and flowers. Click on a specific bee species or flower species to more clearly see a particular connection. The surrounding drop boxes can be used to further filter your data. For example, use this drop box to see data only for which bees are collecting pollen. This tool is extremely helpful in testing a variety of different hypotheses for bee behavior and floral preference.